Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to talk about I don't have a specific topic to talk about marketing or affiliate marketing. So I just wanted to talk like how the $10 can change your life. So which actually did it for me. I'm actually seeing progress in my life. I'm sure it can help you as well. So please make sure you stay till the end. And also if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing. And also I'm going to document my journey on this channel. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button and be sure to check the first link in the description. And coming back to today's topic, the $10, like what all you can do with $10. Like I live in a country India, so where $10 equal to 700 rupees in my currency, so where I can go ahead and buy a Netflix subscription, I can go ahead and spend on junk food, or like there are a lot of stuff, like I can lose this money in no time. So but I decided like I wanted to invest this money on myself. That is investing in yourself, as in like you want to learn things in order to grow. So I decided all these in my videos I talk about work with Sebastian program that can actually help you, or that can actually change your life. So I decided this program was launched like couple of months back, and not even couple of months, maybe more than that, I don't know. But I went ahead and joined because Sebastian Gomez is a 7-figure internet marketer, like who is already successful in his online business, where he provides marketing services to various clients, and be it mentoring or be it social media management. There are a lot of stuff that his team provides, and he charges premium prices. So he decided to launch affiliate program in order to grow his business, where I get an opportunity to promote his offer. So if I refer any client to his agency and his team jumps on a call, and if the deal is closed, you're gonna make $1,000 commission per sale. So all you need to do is just make 10 sales in order to make a full-time income out of your high-ticket affiliate marketing. The best part is you don't have to take care of the client because his team takes care of it. And like this was the thing like that got attracted me, and I went ahead and bought this program. Along with this, like I also got something else which I was most excited about, like the training that he provided in his members area, where he's going to talk about mindset. He's going to talk about the basics of your business, how you can set up your own business, how to create a personal brand, how you can utilize both free traffic strategies, paid traffic strategies, how to build sales funnel, how to create email automations, there are so many technical things he has taught. Even if a newbie, like who is not at all technical, he can do that. And if somebody who is coming from a technical background, who don't know anything about marketing, he can still make this. So if you are not able to make this with this program, like definitely it's not going to work with any other program. Maybe the problem is not with the courses, it's with your mindset that you got to fix, and you're going to move on. So this is the amazing program. Like the training, I was amazed. And the best part is, like, he's also giving you all the sales funnel, email swipes, ad copies, and the demographics that works for people, and how you can position your angle to this offer to different types of people, like who are very close to you, who are completely unknown, how you can convert your cold audience to warm audience. There are so many things that are covered in this training. I was amazed by that, and I could not believe like how somebody can give so much value for $9. I'm sure like it is still $9, but if you're I don't know when you will be watching this video, like maybe later the price is gonna get increased. So this is one of the best investment that I ever made, I could feel. And this program is not only about your business, like he also creates a mastermind group where he talks about health and fitness, the discipline that you got to bring in your life, and the value principles that he talks about in his program or in his group. Those are really amazing. And number one thing is, like right now, if you might have noticed, like I'm uploading every single video every day. Right now I'm on 65th day. So this is the challenge that is created in his mastermind group, where there are so many people are participating in that group, and like people literally charge for this kind of challenge, but I got this free along with this work with Sebastian program. This is really amazing. I got discipline in my life, in my health, mindset, or in my business. There are a lot of things changing. So if you're gonna just a heads up, like this is not a get rich quick scheme where you come and make some you don't want to take action, you just want to make some quick buck. It's not gonna work. You gotta take real action. You gotta build your brand. You're gonna create content. There is a lot of work in it, but he's going to show you how you can go ahead and do that. So that's it. This program is all about direction. He does not guarantee anything, but this can literally change your life, guys. And if you want to spend, if you have 10 bucks right now with you, and if you are thinking to invest in yourself, this is the best $10 investment you're gonna make in your life. Trust me. If you want to get started with this program, be sure to check the first link in the description. And if you have any questions about this program, you can leave them in the comment section, or you can email me. I'll address them personally. And if you have any questions, or if you want to have a call with me, definitely we can have, and we can discuss this, and we can actually become accountability partners for this program. And this is the short video I just wanted to shoot, guys. And don't spend $10 to go waste, and just go ahead and spend on this. I'm sure like you're gonna get the best value in the world. So I hope you got value from this video, guys, and